Alright, this is Stan Houston's, our new retail location here. I'm in the Amsoil van. I just want to make it clear. There's the sign. We're on West 12th Street in Sioux Falls, just west of the river, which is right there. There's Harbor Freight next door. Anyway, we're going to go inside here to Stan Houston's and see the Amsoil display, so stay tuned. So we've got a lot of displays and a lot of new products in here. Real quick, let's look at the power tools here. So look at, here's the DeWalt setup. Here's the Milwaukee setup. It's amazing, isn't it? And the big one, Kita. Look at all these tools. Festool, incredible line of products here for the woodworking industry. Paint, sprayers, it's just amazing amount of products. So let's go over here to see the Amsoil display right in front of me on the shelf. So here we go. So we've got marine, 4-stroke, 2-stroke. I got grease, the motorcycle oils, backup supply, transmission, the OE line of the transmission, all of the spray, protectants and cleaners. Again, we got more of the OE transmission fluids, fuel additives, power foam, the main manual transmission fluids, of course the top selling differential oils, and we've got the OE line here. So we got 020, 520, 530, 1030, and the 016. You won't find this elsewhere in the whole city. The high zinc oils, Z-Rod, of course the XL. And then down here I have the gallons for the XL, and then some backup cases. And then if we go over here, we've got the diesel fuel additives, the heavy-duty diesel line. I've got some of the Signature Series diesel line over here. The top-selling compressor oils. A good variety of the grease. I got the heavy-duty truck grease, the NLGI2 for summertime. There it is right there, I mean. NLGI2. Water resistance grease, which I sell a ton of. Yeah, and then this is the NLGI2 right here, multi-purpose over here. 1540, the older high zinc 2008 and earlier diesel oils. Of course, we got one of my top sellers. I got this in gallons, small engine oil, and then the quarts, and then the biodegradable low toxicity antifreeze, and then we've got the lower priced diesel oil, 10 to 15,000 miles. With this diesel oil here, you can double this interval with oil analysis, and of course the Signature Series is the 25,000 miles or 1 year oil. So that is how we have it set up right now. And I'm going to add another shelf over there with the Signature Series in the next change. So let's see, we're back here in the eastern corner of the store. When you come in, you'll just head over here, you'll see the parts department. So that's where the Amsoil display is. We've got some signs to put up here. They're going to put a TV screen up here as well. So there you have it.